Welcome to KMW World. Founded in 2002, KMW was aimed at providing quality media solutions and management consistently at an affordable cost. Our core competence lies in media research, planning, buying, aligning and executing media solutions to leverage superior marketing efficiencies. Today, our businesses are managed by some of the eminent stalwarts from the industry. Mr. Krishna Suvarna, Director. He founded KMW 11 years ago. Equipped with a degree from MICA, he brings a wealth of experience, strong business acumen and a passion for delivering value and outstanding services to client. Ms. Milita De Silva, Business Director, India. Milita brings over 13 years of advertising and brand communication knowledge with her to KMW. Able to build your brand image through smart techniques to build brands on a bigger mold. Mr. Vamshi Pendlea, Business Head. With over 15 years of media experience, he is our business acquisition specialist. Movie promotions and in-film branding are his fortes. Ms. Sadia Khan, Media Director. 10 years in the media industry, arguably the best planner in the country today. As a media director, she heads the planning and buying division of KMW. Ms. Sakshi Jadhav, Media Head Operations. More than 12 years in industry, media buying and execution is her forte. Has single-handedly handled business worth 50 crores. Ms. Anam Khan, Senior Media Planner. Backed with over 6 years of experience, she has her roots firmly grounded in media planning and research. She can dissect any data in minutes and churn out outstanding consumer insights in no time. Neetu Bajaj, Director. She brings to the table 14 years of superior experience and unparalleled knowledge in the OOH industry. Team Delhi, Shaloni Singh, Director. With networking as her forte, she has worked in various capacities in reputed organizations for over 9 years. Taj Khan, President. After quitting modeling, he embarked on a successful career in media with an impressive track record of over 10 years. Last but not the least, Dr. Sardar Khan, Director. He brings with him the much-needed political tint to the organization with his rock-solid networking capabilities across India. Over the years, we have helped numerous brands reach their true potential. We understand that each client is different, so are his needs. Over the years, we have employed innovative thinking to carve out tailor-made solutions that match our client needs and fetch him the best return on investment in the market. Medan, our media lab, churns out valuable market insights using traditional as well as innovative research methodology and generates insights normally ignored by conventional data crunching method. At KMW, we also specialize in analysis of clients' media plans and buys to keep a check on GRP targets and recommend corrective action if required. Our audits cover CPRP deals and buying rates with respect to industry norms. Our client billing stands at 120 crores and we intend to reach the 500 crores mark within the next 3 years. With our eyes set on the future, we pledge to be among the top 5 media agencies by 2016. Our Delhi office is just a step towards that dream. Next, we plan to enter Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Kuala Lumpur and New York. In the coming future, KMW will be the world leader in planning, buying and execution. Thank you.